Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physical quantity formulas. First, begin by identifying all the physical quantities present in the formula. Next, understand the standard units of measurement for each of these quantities, such as meters for length or kilograms for mass. Finally, grasp the core concept or principle that the formula is designed to represent, which is crucial for deeper understanding. This foundational step sets you up for success. Once you understand the basics, explore the derivation of the formula from fundamental principles. This helps you see why it takes its specific form. Recognize the direct or inverse relationships between the variables. For instance, if one quantity increases, how does another respond? Visualizing the formula's components with simple diagrams or real-world examples can significantly enhance your comprehension and retention. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Solve a variety of practice problems, starting with simple ones and gradually moving to more complex scenarios. Apply the formula to real-world situations to see its practical utility. Make sure to work through problems where different variables are given or unknown, which strengthens your problem-solving skills and adaptability. To ensure long-term retention, regularly review the formula and its underlying concepts. Spaced repetition is highly effective for memory. Create concise flashcards or summary notes that highlight key aspects for quick recall. A powerful technique is to teach the formula to someone else. Explaining it clearly helps solidify your own understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.